In this video, I'm gonna give you some passive income ideas, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how ChatGPT is gonna accelerate those and make them a breeze for us. Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to bring you different ways how to make money, different side hustles. I make these kind of videos daily. I really wanna help everybody learn how to make money online, but before you can do that, I need you to subscribe to my channel now. Now, we've been covering ChatGPT heavy. It is an extensive language model, and what it really does, especially when we mix it with these side hustles, is just give us informed decisions to maximize our profits in online businesses. No matter if it's crypto, sneaker reselling, phone flipping, ChatGPT can assist us in every way. And once again, like I love to say, make us superhuman. But make sure you watch to the end. I'm about to give you 4 passive income ideas and how we're gonna use ChatGPT to make those happen. Now, the first one is something that I'm starting to learn a lot more about here recently, and that's cryptocurrency trading. And it can bring you great passive income, but it can also be risky. However, that's where ChatGPT comes in, because what ChatGPT can do is analyze large amounts of data, and it can identify patterns right in the market. And so with that data, it can also spot trends, and it can even give you like trade recommendations based on just all the data that it has. But it don't, once again, it don't just stop there. Like y'all know, I've been crazy about building bots, right? So we can literally build a bot with ChatGPT that says, hey, let me know when Bitcoin passes a certain amount, or let me know when it drops below a certain amount. And that's just it. That's it in its simplest form. It does get a little bit more complex than that, and I am going to do a lot of future content on this subject, because I'm already seeing how people are using AI to build these kind of modules, and some of them are even guaranteeing you 1 to 2% per day. All right, now I want you to pay attention to this, because this is groundbreaking, bro. I already know ChatGPT is going to tell me when I ask it off the rip to make me a Bitcoin bot, to make me a bot that identifies the price of Bitcoin. Is going to tell me, hey, bro, I can't find that out. I can just go off of historical data. So that's what I did. I took a date range, right? I think it was from December 23rd to January 2nd. I collected the price of Bitcoin for all those days, and then I told ChatGPT to create me a bot that simply predicts the very next day what the price of Bitcoin is going to be. Now, I'm going to be responsible like ChatGPT is in telling you that, bro, when you're building something like this, you're going to need a lot more than 10 days. You're going to need a lot more than a simple script, but this is just to show you that simple things like price predictions and its ability to help somebody like me or you who is not a developer create something like this, man, that's incredible. So after having a couple errors and stumbling over a couple errors, I was finally able to get a prediction out of my bot, right? So I see a lot of people interested in ChatGPT, a lot of people trying to make money with it, but the reality is that once again, you have to use ChatGPT to help you. It's not gonna save you. Now, crypto trading can be powerful, but this next side hustle, this next passive income stream is probably gonna be the one that everyone gravitates towards, and that's drop shipping. Now, the drop shipping business model, everybody loves it because it's simple, right? You don't have to do any work. You can sell products, mark those products up, have your suppliers ship them directly to your customer, and then you pocket the profit. Now, listen up to this next part, because it's the most important. A lot of people gravitate towards drop shipping, but the reason why not a lot of people are successful with it is because it can be difficult finding profitable niches, profitable products. But that's where ChatGPT comes in. So you can simply input in the ChatGPT, right? Give me the top 10 selling online products right now. And then it's gonna spit you out a list of those products. ChatGPT is advanced to where it can analyze market data. You can ask it to give you customer trends, and you can even help it narrow down your search. See, and most people stop there, right? But the most important part of this is that you have to narrow it down. You have to ask it more. So you can go to electronics and say, give me the top 10 selling types of products in the electronics field. And then from there, that's where the human component comes in. You jump on TikTok, you jump on Facebook, right? And you look at all the different products, right? TikTok actually has a side site where they kind of show the statistics of all the different type of ads and how they perform. You're definitely gonna go look at those and look at the electronics and see which ones are the best, right? Then on top of that, the second hardest part about drop shipping period that ChatGPT just completely takes care of for us is website building and copywriting, right? Now, depending on what service you use as far as to host your website, whether it be Shopify, whether it be Wix, whether it be Big Cartel, you might not need code. You may not need it to code out anything. If you wanted to build your own site from scratch, you could do that. Now, writing marketing copy, that is the most difficult thing in sales, period. And ChatGPT completely excels at that. You can tell it to write you something fun, something serious, something that entices fear, something that gets people to click the buy button, and it'll write all that out for us. Now, drop shipping is sweet, but this next side hustle, this next passive income stream, ChatGPT can just completely accelerate that, bro. And I'm talking about on another level, and that's affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, you kind of face some of the same struggles that you face when it comes to drop shipping, right? Because see, if you're not hip, affiliate marketing is basically getting a percentage, getting a referral fee if somebody purchases something, a service, a product, or whatever under your link. I know several people who make a good living doing just that. And I was always one who thought that you had to kind of have a big following or have a popular blog to successfully affiliate market, but that is not the case. With all the difficulties, all the challenges that beginner affiliate marketers face, ChatGPT once again steps in and just makes that way easier, right? Because of course we already know it can do the research for us. And more than anything, when it comes to affiliate marketing, if you're not famous, if you don't have a following already, what you're gonna need to do is do it through social media, through blog posts, through stuff like that, right? And that writing takes a lot of time. But once again, ChatGPT, we can just simply ask it to, hey, write me an article about convincing someone why the AirPods is the greatest in-ear technology ever, and make it persuasive, right? Make it create some urgency, and ChatGPT, once again, will flesh that out for you. Now, a little piece of game that I came upon when I was researching just affiliate marketing and how somebody who wasn't famous or who didn't have a following, how they would make that work, right? And one of the most creative ways that I actually seen people do that is like, boom, you have people that ask questions on the internet, right? On Quora.com, right? People might ask, hey, what are the best headphones? What's the best microphone to use, right? And so what you can do is tell ChatGPT once again to answer that question, and then you put your link in there. And Amazon Affiliates has made affiliate marketing so easy to where all you have to do is sign up for an account in any product on Amazon. If you can convince somebody to buy it through text or whatever, and you have a link, Amazon is going to pay you a fee for every sale that you get, right? So ChatGPT once again can really accelerate affiliate marketing. But what it does for our next side hustle, our next passive income idea is just incredible, bro. And I'm talking about ebook sales, digital guide sales, all that type of stuff. So if you're not hip, bro, information is probably the most popular product for the last 2 or 3 years, right? Everybody's coming out with courses, ebooks. Even if you want to take it a step further and go like to Etsy printables, downloadable files, things like that, digital files can definitely be very good passive income, right? And the thing is that the reason why it's so sweet is because, bro, you only have to create this thing once. You only have to make this once, and then boom, you can sell it however many times you want. Now, that brings me to the problems, right? What are the problems with creating digital files, ebooks, or whatever? And the biggest problem is the time it takes, once again, to write this stuff out, to gather the information. Because I'm gonna let you in on another secret, right? Especially if you're watching this and you're like, bro, I can't sell an ebook. I'm nobody. I don't know anything. Let me tell you, 99% of ebooks has information in it that's publicly available, that's all over the internet, that you would find anywhere. Here's where the value of an ebook really comes in, right? Having someone or somebody condense all that information towards a certain purpose, that's what makes an ebook or a digital guide or whatever valuable, right? So here's where ChatGPT steps in, right? Because once again, ChatGPT can write this stuff out for us. So what you can do is you can have it write you an ebook about almost any topic. You could get creative, right? I seen somebody say like, hey, you could take an ebook with just good recipes, right? And then tell ChatGPT to replace the word milk with a vegan substitute, or the word meat, or take any meats and take them out of the recipe or substitute them with a vegan substitute. And then boom, you could technically have within the next 10 minutes have your own vegan ebook out right now. Now again, one big challenge that a lot of people face when it comes to ebook sales and everything like that is traffic, right? Now 90% of people are going to take this advice, they're going to create an ebook, but then they're going to be stuck with it. And that's because they're not going to stay long enough to listen to this next piece. And what that piece is that, bro, just like drop shipping, one of the main challenges of selling ebooks, selling digital products is traffic, right? You got to have people, you got to be somewhere where people are searching for them, right? So you can get on Etsy with this ebook. There are literally people searching right now on Amazon for an ebook on a certain title, and sometimes they don't want the most popular one, right? They want something undiscovered, something new. So that's where you could possibly come in thanks to the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is amazing, bro. It can help you make these informed decisions and just completely maximize the profit in our businesses. It can be crypto trading, it can be affiliate marketing, drop shipping, digital files. ChatGPT can assist us in every way. So the days of us having to spend hours doing tedious research, bro, looking through all this stuff, we finally have it all in one form, man. ChatGPT is the next wave. It's your boy Rico. I love y'all. Let's get it.